Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot in my inbox. Is investing in StashAway really worth it? Now, I know you've probably seen a lot of ads and reviews about StashAway, but let's cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. Is it a good choice for your investment journey, or are there better options out there? Before we get into the pros and cons, let's quickly recap what StashAway is. It's essentially an automated investment platform that uses algorithms to allocate your money across various asset classes like stocks and bonds. The idea is to make investing more accessible and less intimidating, especially for beginners. But is that simplicity a trade-off for potential returns? Pros of investing in StashAway. Accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of StashAway is its user-friendliness. It's designed to be easy to use, even if you have no prior investing experience. You can set up an account in minutes and start investing with as little as Nigerian Naira 1000 *. Diversification. StashAway automatically diversifies your portfolio across different asset classes, helping to reduce risk. This is a crucial strategy for long-term investing *. Low fees. Compared to traditional investment platforms, StashAway's fees are relatively low. This means more of your money goes towards investments rather than fees *. Flexibility. StashAway offers various investment options to suit different risk tolerances and financial goals. You can choose from conservative, moderate, or aggressive portfolios *. Cons of investing in StashAway. Limited control. While StashAway's automation can be convenient, it also means you have less control over your investments. You can't pick individual stocks or bonds, and you're relying on the algorithm to make the right decisions *. Performance. While StashAway has a good track record, past performance is not indicative of future results. There's no guarantee that your investments will outperform the market *. Lack of personalized advice. StashAway doesn't provide personalized financial advice. If you have specific questions or concerns, you may need to seek advice from a financial advisor *. Is StashAway worth it for you? Ultimately, whether or not StashAway is worth it depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, StashAway can be a good option. However, if you're seeking more control over your investments or have specific financial needs, you may want to consider other options. It's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, there you have it. Is investing in StashAway worth it? The answer is, it depends. It's a great option for beginners looking for a simple and affordable way to start investing, but it may not be the best choice for everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.